everybody, Kawi here, right at the center of Medellin, Antioquia, Colombia. And it has been a minute. I hope you guys are doing okay. And I am in this beautiful park right at the center of the city. Up there we have a metro, and it has been raining, and I really can't do much because of that, because it's getting late and I had to stop everything just because of the rain. But we are going to walk around the CENTRO, Medellin. It's crazy, and let's see what is there. Okay, let's walk around and yeah, let's enjoy the little short trip. It's really wet. It has been raining like I don't know for how long, for hours. It has been raining for hours, and I couldn't film or do anything because of the rain. But now it has stopped. It's a little bit late, and there's nothing much I can do at this particular moment other than like walk around, see what is here, and just enjoy the few hours which are left of this place. So it has been long since I said hi to you guys. I hope you've been doing okay. How have you been, guys? How have you been? This place is like really crazy, totally crazy. A lot of people everywhere. A typical central part of a city, It's crazy, it's crazy. But I hope it's safe. I have my camera right in front of me. Let's see what is here. The police guys. It's a safe area, I think. But of course, you always have to be careful with everything, You really have to be careful all the time and watch your back, Yeah, there's so many beautiful stuff. I mean, Bogota is crazy, but I think this place is more, it's crazier. Wow. Let's see what is here. It has been raining. People are putting out their stuff now. So guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe right now. It's gonna mean the whole world to me. And leave a comment telling me what you think about this beautiful city, downtown Medellin, Colombia. Beautiful stuffs here. So for now, let's just stroll around and just enjoy this little walk around here. Oops. Okay, Centro.